The other thing, and this is more of a challenge, I hear people talking about using multiple different tools as a part of their workflow. Take the output of one, take it to the other one, and try to build that final course that they would be publishing, final marketing asset that they publish with their customers, with their partners. The entire workflow is very complex, involving a lot of different tools. So it's not just about AI getting so powerful, it's also about how that workflow is seeming like. Is it complex or simple? This is the other aspiration that I hear from customers. Irrespective of the size of the company, big and small companies often have very lean teams who are responsible for creating contents for several hundreds and thousands of other employees. And this content, again, I would like to reiterate, could be a training content like an employee onboarding, or you have a compliance regulation where everyone needs to follow that. So a small team is creating the content for the entire organization.